to warm up your... How much do you see? So you're seeing what I'm seeing, right? So with that, I haven't reused the copper crush washer yet. I don't have one. So that's that. Okay. 9/16 bolt. Warm up the engine. Right. Put your pan up there. How much do you see? I got this GoPro, and still not used to what you can see, how to hang it so that you're seeing what I'm seeing, right? So with that, you got your bolt. I haven't reused the copper crush washer yet, and I don't have one right now. So that's that. When that's drained, well, first you can come up here. And take off. Oh, what the hell? Those flames and stuff. Take that off so that it drains a little better. So what I do, I know a lot of people will tell you that you don't need to do it, and maybe that's the case, but for the trouble that it is, I pre-fills my oil filter. I mean, if you don't have to do it, well, it's not going to hurt. That's my philosophy, right? It ain't going to hurt nothing. After all, like Taro fixes all. It's not rocket science, but it's not the space shuttle, but it is my vehicle, and I don't think it. Now, that's another thing that I do that some might think is crazy. I shake the oil, because you don't know how long it's been sitting on the shelf, you know. And to be honest with you, there is additives, as you know, and it can settle. Now, the filter works by piece filtered and comes through the center. So when you pour this into the center, technically, if there's something in the oil, if something like this goes down in it, right away something bad is going in your engine. But you know, if you just pay attention, I'm sure you can. I mean, if you got a tin of oil sitting on the shelf for 6 months, and you do a lot of woodworking, right? And it's 6 inches of dust on there, and you don't brush it off and clean it off properly, then yeah, something can fall in there and cause problems. But I always, and you can see how much it's taken, right? It's taken quite a bit. You want to make sure there's no leaks, and you GoPro has come out okay. You might be not looking at what I'm looking at. I'm trying to make it so you see. So that's all clean. The oil plug is clean. I'll just move that there so I can get it. And we just add the oil. So you're going to add the oil to this plug right here. And if you're doing it on a windy day, and you can see, like, you know, I have a dirt place to work with here. The wind blows the dirt and stuff, so you don't want to leave this open. Today is not too bad, but, you know, I notice, you know, even draining it, you gotta be careful, but so it don't get up in the oil filter area. But yeah, if it's windy, this thing definitely comes. So for this particular vehicle, it's what is this? This is almost 5 liters. Well, it's about 4 liters, a little over 4 liters. 0W20. I got about a liter, not even left in this jug. So that should give me enough to safely start it and check it. Always look at your cap too, guys, and if you see it's white, it's got a white, milky kind of situation going on, you may want to take it into the mechanic, because you may have a leaky head gasket. There's a few other things, but that's the major one, right? What we do is we wait and we start her up and check the oil. I don't think I need to show you anymore. If you're new to the channel, and you know, you can subscribe. But I hope that